Hello everyone, myself Prashant Yadav from BTech Easy Branch. My topic is modulation. Modulation. In the modulation process, two signals are used: modulated signal and frequency carrier signal. Content: voltage modulation, basic type of modulation, importance of modulation. Let's get started. Frequency, amplitude and phase. Non-linear modulating signal. The baseband signal are important signals by carrier in a high frequency sensory signal. Types of modulation. There are three types of modulation. First, frequency modulation. In this modulation, frequency of carrier change with modulating signal. And second type is amplitude modulation. In this modulation, amplitude of carrier change with modulating signal. Third is phase modulation. In this modulation, phase of carrier change the modulating signal. And other modulation are DSP, SSB, VSB, QAM, ASK, FSK, PSK, etc. Need of modulation. First, to transmit the signal to long distance. In the modulating process, some parameter of the carrier wave as amplitude, frequency or phase is varied in according with modulating signal. The modulated signal is then transmitted by transmitter. So example, stone and paper analogy. Here paper is audio signal and stone is carrier signal. So the paper throw in the air and audio signal and carrier signal mix, then throw the mixture of paper and stone. So number 2, to reduce the size of antenna. Audio signal of 20 kHz would need an antenna of 3.7 km to propagate signal. So practically antenna is impossible, and modulating the signal to 1 MHz will only require antenna of 7.55, so easy to build. And third is avoid mixing the off signals. Normally frequency of antenna is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. And so first device is frequency of 81.1 MHz and second device frequency of 91.1 MHz. Allow multiplexing of signal, reduce noise distortion, reduce equipment complexity.